This is Easy Lane RV Park. That is Custer Road right there. We have our own concrete new road access right off of Custer Road, and you pull in right here and you can pull straight ahead into spot number 1, 2, or 3. So these 3 spots really could work as pull through. So we're going to keep these available for weekenders, short-term renters, because they're easy to pull in and there's not much of a bar ditch, and I put gravel there as well, so you can literally just pull right in. And this spot you kind of can on number 3. You'd have to take a sweeping left turn right on the other side of the silo. You could pull through on some of these other lots that are on Easy Lane. That's a private road. We own that. There's only a couple residents that live down the road from us. So these are all easy access. Like I said, you can pull through on these lots here. The ones on this side, you definitely have to back into. So we figure people that are going to be long-term renters will want these. That spot number 18 will have a little extra over there. We're going to fix that fence. Actually, we're thinking about putting a new fence in, kind of like we did on the other side. But there's a couple spots down there, 10, 11, and 12. They've got trees. Those other trees are in the dog park area. But that just gives you an overview. And then the one at the very end, on the other side of the tree, there's an old peach tree. And then there's a pecan tree over there where I've got my trailers parked. That's actually lot number 19. That's a premium lot. That one can accommodate a park model, tiny home, and currently only has 50 amp, but we can upgrade that one to a 100 amp service very easily. And then you got your own little private grass, little yard there in front. So that's about a 1/4 acre there for lot number 19. And then there's the old barn. I need to turn the lights on. We strung lights up there by the barn. And the little clubhouse here, or dog park. And we're flanked by trees, so this is just kind of like this little pocket here. If you look at the drone video, we back up to this Wilson Creek property back there. And here's inside the little clubhouse. Nothing special. Nice, clean. Put a washer and dryer in. It's going to be in the honor system, brand new washer and dryer. Since we're a small park, I didn't put up a laundry room. I figured we charge $1 a load. Just put it in a bucket. Washer, dryer, bathroom, shower. Our grass is coming in. We just sodded. This will be our little fire pit area. We'll do some other fun stuff out here as well. And then you come back here. To the creek. We strung lights up all through here. So this will be a fun little hangout area. We'll put in a little fire pit and some chairs back here. Little barn, we kept it. But just a gorgeous creek. It's always flowing. It's spring fed. You literally in the summertime go down there and drink out of that creek, which I have done before. So there's a lower shelf here. You can take chairs, sit down here, read a book, watch it for the poison ivy. I've been trying to kill it all, spray it. So literally you are 1 mile from Custer and 380. Walmart, Lowe's, restaurants. There's a huge development going up there at Custer and 380. With all kinds of Whole Foods, restaurants, I forget what all is going in there. I'll put a link to it on our website. These are my other renters. They got their chicken coop. There's our burn pile. We're going to burn that one day. And that gives you kind of an overview. Look forward to having you. See ya.